Passion towards painting has always been on the priority list of my hobbies. Now this is a unique painting which is also called as nib painting, and the main important base of colors that are used for this kind of painting are the oil colors. So I have taken camel oil colors: orange, white, blue, green, light green, red. And for this painting we need a unique kind of nib. Now this is very important for this kind of painting, and this nib we can purchase from any stationery shops from where we get this fabric colors and oil colors. So this is known as the nib. The nib has a round flat head, which is the main important base for this kind of painting. First of all, we need cardboard of our painting choice. If your painting is big, you can take a big cardboard. And the base for this painting is we need a fabric. The fabric should have an effect embossed effect like the velvet cloth. We can also use the velvet paper that we get in the stationery. So first take a cardboard of any size depending upon the design that you put on, and wrap this cardboard neatly using a double adhesive tape. So I have taken this double adhesive tape and neatly wrap this cardboard tightly from all the four sides. I have wrapped one cardboard. So wrap it neatly from all the four sides. So I have wrapped this one, and once you wrap it very tightly, using a color pencil or a crayon, you can trace the shape of the flower. Trace the shape of a flower. Now once the design is ready with your pencil, we'll start using the colors. For this type of painting, we do not require any coloring dish. Just we have to take up the color on our finger, on the index finger. Just take a little bit of paint on your finger, and use this head, the lower side of this nib. Take a little paint on the nib, and you have to press against the cloth. Keep it closer. We have to just press it over the and pull it down. So neatly we can see that the round head of the nib is surrounded by the paint, and we get the line. So in this way we start doing the filling up the petals using this design. Now this design is used according to the shape of the design that you are opting for. Now if this is a petal of a flower, just you can do this kind and fill up the petal as I have done in the previous painting. Now already I have done a painting using two colors. Keep it closer. The pink and the white shade. So for this also I have taken two colors. I have taken red, and there will not be any wastage of colors when you are doing such painting, and where we are not wasting the colors by using or mixing it in the dish. So straight away when we take these two colors, mix the white and the red together and take half and half both the colors. Take half and half the red and the white from the finger and just emboss use the nib using both the colors and start painting. Press the nib against the cloth. Press the nib against the cloth and you get this design. As we finish this petal, like this, complete even the other petal which is to the other side till the paint that is. Press the nib and you get the finished painting. Once the painting is done, leave it for drying for 2 or 3 days. As these are oil colors, they require 3 days to dry up, and later we can frame it with a framing paper. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this nib painting and try it out. This is a unique kind of painting.